Okay, the match has commenced here.
Good start by
You see,
Deepti.
the first point taken by Deepti here.
A strong start by Deepti. Serving one love.
As you see, Deepti reacting that she needs to be a bit more calmer.
Yeah,
While
Girish
taking
helping
she
her
had
on
it,
the
she actually had the
sidelines
volley.
to keep calm.
I think she just applied more pressure than what it required.
Great serve.
The scores are level now. Preeti Reddy hanging in there and giving the fight. She is known to. She's known for in a singles game. Oh, that's a lovely down the line. That's a lovely down the line from Preeti. Gives her a lead to take it 3-2.
A great smooth
Deepti.
finish by Preeti. That puts her on 3-2 lead serving.
But pickleball is such a funny sport. Anything can happen, Rishabh. You just don't know. You can be the underdog and it just depends upon how you play in that 10-15 minutes.
Exactly. How you hold your nerves and then how you show up every point. That's all that matters.
Absolutely. But one game also which requires you to be in the game every single second, right?
I
You
think
take your mind off the game and then the momentum you see is slowly being snatched away by the opponent.
Yeah, it just flies off. I think this is the only sport, it's only physical sport in which you have to be there all in. You don't have like lots of sets. You just have 2 sets, quick ones. Badminton, at least you've got time in the point, but in pickleball, balls just too fast, points are very fast. You have to be quick, mentally, physically, everything. If you see Deepti's serve, it's an interesting serve. She is not going for a traditional hard serve. She's putting it really high and deep. So
Trying to loop it to
the returner.
It will not help Preeti to finish the ball because Preeti will have to wait for the ball to come. The ball is coming very slowly. She'll have to apply that much more.
And it doesn't allow Preeti to come in. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
By putting it deep and high, she has to hit the ball and stay there because she'll have lots of court open to finish Deepti.
Oh, that took a while for the ball to.
Yeah, it was dancing there.
inside the net.
It finally decided to fall on the
yes,
side and
yes.
give a point to Mavericks. So far, the match is not over for anybody, but let's see how it unfolds. A strong comeback by Preeti from 3-5 down 5-all. No? Good forehand. A good exchange and Deepti gets the point in. Oh, good cross.
Oh, that's a
court
lovely,
backhand
that's a
by
lovely
Deepti.
cross-court shot by cross-court backhand by Deepti. Really improved her game. I think during the league we've seen Deepti really really improve the standout of
Yeah,
a game.
her game literally evolved.
Become a
and
name to, I think, reckon with, at least in the women's category.
yeah,
So much scope, I feel, for women players as far as pickleball is, because even during the auction we could see that it's only the handful of players who were there ready for the auction, who were
Yes.
playing regularly, who were ready to be picked up. So there's a lot of scope, I think, for
yeah, for sure. But I think next season I've seen quite a few tennis players discussing about this sport, and I think if they come in, people would just randomly go for them for their singles at least.
I think that you're right there. We were actually discussing this, that in the next 1 year we may see a lot of tennis players not necessarily transitioning to pickleball, but playing pickleball also, so that they can participate in the league. They've seen the excitement, the energy here. They're able to play in the team. This kind of a league does not happen for tennis, so it's something that they may want to try out and see if see how it would help them. So we are going to. I think you're right. We're going to see many more tennis players coming in, at least playing for a little while to be a part of the league, and they would have an edge over other.
Finish and material top quality, budget by clarity, 10 years warranty, 45 days timeline guarantee. ఇంకా ఫ్యాక్టరీ విజిట్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఇండియాలో ఫస్ట్ టైం రెవల్యూషనరీ జర్మన్ టెక్నాలజీతో దాసోస్ అడుగు పెడితే దాసోహం అనాల్సిందే. దాసోస్ వార్డ్రోబ్స్, షెల్ఫ్స్, కిచెన్ క్యాబినెట్స్ అండ్ కిచెన్ కౌంటర్ టాప్, కస్టమైజేషన్, ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ, ఫినిష్ అండ్ మెటీరియల్ టాప్ క్వాలిటీ, బడ్జెట్ పై క్లారిటీ, 10 years warranty, 45 days timeline guarantee. ఇంకా ఫ్యాక్టరీ విజిట్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఇండియాలో ఫస్ట్ టైం రెవల్యూషనరీ జర్మన్ టెక్నాలజీతో దాసోస్ అడుగు
Preeti Reddy showing all her aggression after that point. She's still fighting for it. She's not giving it up. A great shot by Preeti. A great finish by Preeti. Really close to the line. She did it with perfection. A strong comeback. Looks like a comeback of Preeti, and the crowd is on fire. She's 7-9 serving.
Crawling back into the game.
Yeah.
A tough fight to Deepthi here. 7-9. 7-9. Preeti serving. You see? 2 to 3 points in one go can really shift the momentum in this game.
Yes, for sure. It just puts
that's why I
lot
call
of
it a
pressure.
very, very funny game.
Yeah, it
Having
puts
played
up.
tennis, where you have ample opportunity to come back and forth.
Deepthi coming back strong, not letting the momentum go. Let's see how this goes now. Good serve by Deepthi.
Okay, that's out. So 4-point lead now for.
From
A
the outside,
4-point
it looks
lead now.
comfortable, but trust me, on the court, 4 points in singles is nothing. It just goes off like
Is it? Okay.
a flash.
Oh, that's a nice
Oh,
knife.
great pick. Oh.
Okay. I hope Preeti is okay. Just. Okay, she's back on her feet. She's back on her feet now. I think she's. Fortunately, she's not injured herself. So I think
Luckily, she's back on her foot. She tumbled, but she's showing her
resolve,
commitment towards the game,
commitment
and
resolve
she's
towards
back
the
on her
game,
foot.
yes.
I think she just needs a minute break, like a timeout, and then oh yeah, she took a timeout. What do you think on the other court? They are coming back again, Terramores, like the first game. It was 7-14, now it's 10-14.
Yeah, I think it's match point now to the Kirti Warriors again.
So
14-10.
what do you think? Will they be able to
I
convert
don't
this
know.
one?
Yeah, given how the first game has gone between the men's in the men's doubles, unable to predict. But yes, I think
Oh, that's a miss again.
that's a miss again.
I think
from,
there's something there with
Anish.
Kirti's players. I mean, yeah, it's actually difficult to close in matches. As you've seen in this whole league, I mean, there were many people up 13-1, 13-11. If you see matches yesterday, there were many comebacks from 12-2 down, 13-2 down, singles and doubles as well.
Oh, there you go.
there you
Kirti
go.
has clinched the women's doubles. Yeah, so it's 1-1 there, and the fight is still on.
Yeah, they're giving
See
a
now
run for
next,
the
I
money.
think. Yeah, I think next
for
Bhaskar is
Paramount.
going to take on Vijay.
Yeah, that's going to
What do
be
you
a
think
crazy
of
match.
that match?
I want
Rishabh?
Bhaskar to win as he's my partner.
Yes, your brother-in-law.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
let's see. It's going to be an interesting
It'll be
match.
interesting. No, the way Bhaskar played yesterday against Siddharth Alapati and came back from the woods, I think that was an amazing effort by him.
Yeah, for sure. He doesn't give up. That's
Doesn't
the
give
thing with
Plays hard, makes a
yes,
lot of difference.
until the end. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ball out. Out.
Nandi still strong, 13-7. That's a little too much,
Match
but
point now
Preeti-
for Deepthi. 14-7.
14-7.
A win here will take Nandi to 3-1 on the scoreboard as far as this particular duel with Mavericks is concerned.
they'll be on a comfortable position. I mean,
Comfortable
they'll be
position. I think the
happy.
pressure will be on the
Yeah.
Mavericks thereafter, and that's where
That's
Deepthi
a good
finishes it off
finish
in
by
style
Deepthi.
with a nice volley, cross court, forehand volley.